Hey there, my lovers and friends. Welcome back to Abenaatriesbeauty. I'm going to do this get ready with me and wig try on. So make sure you stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love ya. I'm going to not even do a voiceover for this one. At this point, we all need a go-to throw it on and go wig, and I've been loving y'all saw Featrice Valentino. I always need to have like a straight up bone straight middle part wig in my arsenal, and them things be cheap. So today I have Valencia. She's in the Valentino family with the 5-inch lace part. Valencia was less than 20 bucks. So I picked her up. I've been wanting to wear her. Like I said, I just took off. I had my kinky curly Mongolian curly hair in for 2 weeks. Yes, I got 2 weeks worth of wear out of her. Really happy with that. But anyway, that's the video. It's not about that. But I got a hot date to go on, and I'm trying to hurry up and get ready. But I don't got time to be like doing all of that. So, let me see. Oh Lord, we got the beat. Let me put a little bit of powder on, and then we're gonna try on this wig, okay? Not even trying, we're gonna put it on. Why is it that when you rushing you can't find anything? Damn, do I have enough time to put on some lashes? We're gonna see. I'm doing a hard out, but the foundation that I use tends to get oily, and I know for a fact we're gonna be outside sweating, so it's even better. So I ain't gotta worry about my lace front lifting. Okay. A little bit about the construction. Boom, boom, boom. Nothing spectacular. There's no lace. Boom, boom, boom. Comb in the back. Track sewing. Whew. There's gonna be a lot of flyaways on this jump. Cut the tag off. I'm gonna put a wig grip on. You know what? I'm about to stop rushing. He gonna get the time that I got. How about that? He gonna get the time that I got. Right now, all I'm doing is putting some of my powder. I'm 360 in Maybelline for a point of reference. Let me get a brush. I just hope that this looks good today. And it's like a little crinkles in it, but it don't feel yucky. But I see really faint crinkles in it. Whatever. When you in a rush, girl, I need to tighten this. It's a little humpy. Ooh. Is there any baby hairs on this? Okay. I'm gonna have to work with it a little bit. We're gonna have to work with this one a little bit. So what I'm fitting to do, because I kind of am feeling like I look like Morticia right now with this, I'm fitting to do is get rid of this. It feels humpy. Needed to lay down flatter on top, and then I'm gonna add some baby hair. So let me go get my wand joint, and then I'll be right back. Yeah, y'all see that? That's just still giving me a lot of Morticia. There's a lot of flyaways. Hold on. What do I have? I got this Got To Be glue, spiking wax. I did use it one time a long time ago to actually adhere a wig, but it kind of held. But long story short, I use it now. The consistency is that of to help with the flyaways, because it's kind of a wax, because I ain't fitting to invest in anything else. This is what I got, so this is what I'm fitting to use or whatever. I definitely feel I need some type of baby hair, and there is a line of demarcation I already see. I'm fitting to do what I'm fitting to do, what I'm fitting to do, what I'm fitting to do. What I'm fit to do, what I'm fit to do, what I'm fit to do. Hey, give me some, give me some. Got to be glue, got to be glue. Give me some, give me some. Got to be glue, got to be glue. Give me some. Got to be glue, got to be glue, got to be glue. Okay, well, I'm gonna bring you. Oop, I think I cut a little bit too much. Oh well, oh well. Y'all trying to see my goodies? Y'all trying to see my goodies? Boom. How about that? Let's see how that looks. Get into this part right here. Oftentimes I feel like you gotta hit it from behind. This sounds weird. You gotta, oh, I see that line of demarcation right there. Got to be glue, got to be glue. Come on, stay. And then I gotta do some on this side too. Got to be glue, got to be glue. As long as the wind don't blow, I'ma be okay. As long as the wind don't blow, I'ma be okay. There's a little bit of something else. Got to be glue, got to be glue. Boom, boom. This ain't the best, but I think you can still see that line. People say they cut it. I did something. What y'all think? I don't know if this gonna work, but we gonna try, cause we gotta get this work. Come on, stop being so clumpy. I hate when the hair clumps like that. Yeah, you need some of that. I don't think I did anything to really help it. Got to be. Okay. I don't got time to put on any lashes. You know, for less than 20 bucks, it's serving its purpose. It will serve its purpose today. I'm not going to at front like this is going to last. Is this my favorite? No. Do we all need one of these? Yeah. Am I going to keep looking? I am. Because I don't think this is hitting the spot for my go-to straight just throwing on. If you guys have a recommendation on like a bone straight one, and maybe just the middle part just ain't me, because this, I feel like this is clockable. Like, yeah. It looks like a wig. You know what I'm saying? I can see it. It looks like a decent wig. Okay, well, lovers and friends, look, I got grind. I wanted to give y'all the quick tea on this. I'll probably take some photos, and I'll put that in the video. If I don't, then you should be following me on Instagram. Duh. That's where you really get to see how these joints really be looking. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I will talk to you lovers and friends soon. See ya.